Today in the Quadratec Academy, we're going to show you how to take your headlights out of your 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Welcome to another edition of the Quadratec Academy. Today, we're going to be showing you how to remove the factory headlight assembly from a 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. Now, the process is pretty easy. It just requires a few hand tools. We're going to be using a flathead screwdriver, or a nylon panel tool will also work to help you remove the clips so you can remove that grill. Next, you'll need a ratchet, extension, and a 10mm socket to remove the bolts holding in that headlight assembly. Now, if you've already watched our video on removing the grill, you can jump ahead. We're going to go ahead and get started by popping the hood. So now that we have the hood popped, you can see we've got 6 clips that run along the top edge of the grill here. We're going to be using that panel tool. You simply insert that or your flathead screwdriver right under the head of that clip. Pull up on it. And then if you need a little help getting the second part of that clip out, you can pull up on the grill plastic a little bit. That'll help release that clip for you. We'll just work our way down the line. Now that we got all those clips from the top edge of the grill, the only thing left holding it in are a few pressure clips along the bottom edge of the grill. The only way to get those out is to give the grill a good firm tug towards you, and it should release those clips. Now you're going to want to go ahead and grab your ratchet and your extension and socket. We've got 3 10mm bolts around the outside edge of the bucket we need to remove, and we can pull the headlight out of the way. Once you pull the bucket out, there's one Christmas tree holding the wire back here. If you pull that out, it'll give you a little bit more room to work. To press the tab, we can unplug the headlight. And that takes care of removing the headlight from our 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. Now, if you've owned a Wrangler in the past, you'll notice this is very different than previous models. This is the first Wrangler to use a complete headlight assembly instead of a single universal type 7-inch round headlight, or of course in the case of the YJ, a rectangular headlight. Now, if you guys have any questions or comments about how to remove the headlights from your Wrangler JL, you can leave those for us below. And if you like today's video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Of course, you don't want to forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be sure to catch all of our newest episodes of the Quadratec Academy. Until then, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail or right here in the classroom.